Almost 1,000 structures were destroyed by the Caldor fire almost 3 years ago. And all that time, I'm told, families living in trailers like the one right behind me. The thing is, they can't rebuild their homes until hazardous trees are removed. And that's why crews like this behind me are here. A breathtaking view, now a skyline of charred trees. Almost 3 years ago, the Caldor fire burnt down over 220,000 acres, and with it, an estimated 2/3 of Grizzly Flat homes.
There's still impact to the community, and that's part of the recovery process.
One tree at a time, veteran-led humanitarian organization Team Rubicon hoping to help the community recover. And over the next 4 weeks, they're bringing in 280 Massachusetts Maritime Academy students to help. Have you run into any of the homeowners while you've been out here?
I've run into a couple. I got to talk to them, hear their story of what happened, and then afterwards it just makes us work a lot harder.
Removing debris and creating defensible space.
They got hazard trees around here, so if you rebuild a home and then all of a sudden a tree breaks down and then it slams into your roof, then you're going to have to get that repaired. So what we're trying to do is make a safer environment for people out here.
Team Rubicon says it can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 to remove just one tree.
We're here to help. We're doing this at no cost to them, no cost to anybody.
Students like Keegan Reynolds got 2 days of training to do this work, efforts he's hoping will go a long way for years to come.
Being out here and being able to help everyone, we get a little dirty, but we all come back with smiles on our faces at the end of the day.
And even though this group of maritime students will be leaving after Saturday, more crews will be coming out here on rotation over the next few weeks. In Grizzly Flats, covering local news that matters, Kristen Barton, Fox 40 News.